Hey, I am making a video for periodic table. I don't know what is there in the syllabus, so I am trying to give you a brief description of periodic table, its structure, and how to learn the periodic table, and how to find out the atomic numbers. The basic structure of periodic table is like this. We are having two columns. These vertical columns are called groups, and these are the horizontal rows. These horizontal rows are called periods. So these are the groups, while these are the periods. Okay. So in the whole periodic table, there are as such 18 groups and 8 rows, 8 periods. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. These are the 8 periods. Or this 8th period is incomplete, so there are 7 periods we can say. No need to see this 8th period because the elements are not discovered in those 8th period. So these are 7 periods. These groups are overall 18 groups. 2 groups are here, 10 groups are here. There are 10 groups and 6 groups are here. So 2 groups, 10 and 6. Overall 18 groups. We can number them. Like this. Okay, so this is the basic structure of periodic table. Now here, the first element is the hydrogen. The second element is helium. Helium must be placed here because of its electronic structure. But the properties of helium resembles with this group.